In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Figma Dev Mode. Now, what you have to do, in case you have a Figma for desktop, which I would recommend you actually use on your computer, you'll simply have to hold down your Shift key on your keyboard and then press the button D on your keyboard as well. And then, as you can see over here, you're gonna see this bit where it says you have to upgrade to work in Dev Mode. So, to actually do this, you'll have to upgrade to Professional. You want to click over here. This isn't available in the free plan. And then over here, you can basically just select how you want to pay. You can select what you want to essentially purchase, and then over here you want to click on next, payment information. You want to put in your payment info, then review it and pay, and thus you will essentially get the premium plan, the paid plan of Figma. And of course, once you get this, you'll then be able to start using your dev mode over here by, as I said, just holding down Shift plus D, and then you'll get this pop-up and you will switch to dev mode. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.